Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm getting comments asking for a ceramic painting course. So I am here with a good news. I finally released a new Skillshare class on ceramic plate and mugs. In this class, I will teach you the basics. I will show you how to paint on ceramic plate and mugs and how to cure. Finally, a small project for you to try out. If this is something that you guys are interested, please join me in the class on Skillshare. Like usual, if you never been a member, you can go to the link in the description box for the free trial where you get access to all the classes including this one. And I hope to see you guys there.